Welcome to Iron Railroad. We're now the Halloween weekend 2023. It's the weekend for open house at the Ocean County Society of Model Railroaders. We have a Halloween theme and we have the trains here. We're about a half an hour before we're open to the general public. So what I want to do is show you some of our Halloween themed trains. So stay tuned and watch and enjoy. This is the American Flyer section. And we have the General Iron Horse. These are replicas of the big smokestack steamers from the middle 1800s, about 1853. And the nickname is called the General. And this is actually the American Flyer Franklin number 888. We have two sets running on two separate flyer tracks. This is the S gauge. We also have the O gauge, various brands running. That I will show you too. This is the EP5 O-gauge for Williams, calling this is the Green Aliens from Lionel. It's the Alien set. Another O-gauge. That's the EP. Stop. Mystery machine. Back to the S gauge section in combination with the O gauge. This is our library section, and of course we are at the Ocean County Society of Model Railroaders. www.ocsmr.com. You can find us on the website. We are now in the HO section, and I have my multi-gauge engineer behind me. His name's Ed. Smile, Ed. So here we are, HO. We're setting up at this time for the HO. It's not quite ready yet, but the scenery is there. The entire section is actually still in work in progress. It's dual level. You have a lower level and an upper level. And man of the hour for the HO section, Frank. There you go. He's set up for the Halloween show.